Good evening, everybody. Dubs here from 643boxbreaks.com, and this is my box break number 155, 1314 Titanium. Here's your list of winning bidders. Looks like we got a little bit of an issue with the stream. At least on my end. So I'll be watching the chat just to make sure that So I'll be monitoring the chat to make sure that the stream doesn't die for anybody else. But anyway, I'll keep going like this. So here's our box of Titanium. Before we get to that though, we're just going to go over a couple of things. First off, we'll take a look at our roulette board. So we've got chips, green chips on 0 and 00, green on 5, green on 7, orange on 8. We got green on 14, orange on 16, green on 18, green on 22, orange on 27, green on 29, green on 31. So if at any time during the break we spin one of those numbers on our roulette wheel, we will give away one of the associated cards. And those cards are this. If we spin a green chip, we'll be giving away this Tyler Kuma Prime Rookies. And if we spin an orange chip, we'll be giving away this Rafael Diaz Trilogy Signature Pucks. If we spin both colors, we will give away the higher chip value, which would be the orange 50 chip. On Versus today, we've got a Ryan Nugent-Hopkins Crystal card from Trilogy. And we've also got an Ice Scripts of Trevor Linden. So the way that'll work is every time we spin the wheel, whichever chip or whichever color gets spun, the associated card will get a counter on it at the end of the break. Whichever card has the most counters will be given away. Our short straw bonus cards for today will look a little bit like this. We've got a Matt Bolesky Auto Facts and also a Scott Hartnell Authentic Fabrics jersey. So if you fail to get a hit during the regular portion of the break, fear not, because you'll still get a shot at one of those. Alright, here's our box of Titanium. Before we get to that though, we're going to spin our roulette wheel to get things started, and we're going to be giving away a refund for this break. And that is going to be team number 17, and the black chip is going to get a counter. So team 17 on the team board here is going to be the Florida Panthers. So the Florida Panthers will claim the refund spot for today, and that is going to be Downtown. So congratulations, Downtown. I will refund that one to you a little bit later. And without further ado, here's Titanium. So here's our serial number for this break. Come on. So we're at NE. Come on, focus. 206-294-779. So here are our packs. Empty box. Start from the top, work our way down. Alright, here we go. Alright, in pack number 1, we're going to start off with a Matt Stajan base card for the Calgary Flames, followed by David Backes for the Blues. And for the Blues, in our first strike, we've got a game-worn gear of Brendan Morrow. That'll be heading to Peanut. And for getting the first strike of the break, I will get to that in a second. And Clark MacArthur for the Senators to end off that pack. So for the first strike of the break, I will be including in your package a pack of 13-14 Select. So I'll be going to Peanut. Alright, first strike winner, there you go. Next pack. Alright, we got Phil Kessel for the Leafs. And for the Columbus Blue Jackets, we've got a out of 100 rookie of Jonathan Marchessault for the Columbus Blue Jackets, and that'll be heading to RNO M2. That one is numbered 37 out of 100. And behind that for the Columbus Blue Jackets, once again, we've got a Metallic Marks Bronze of Sean Hunwick. So double duty there for Matt. That one is not numbered. And behind that, Mike Smith, base card for the Phoenix Coyotes. Come on. And most embarrassing pack open ever. Alright, we got Henrik Lundqvist for the Rangers, Taylor Hall for the Oilers, and for the St. Louis Blues. Blues and Jackets picking it up today. We got a dual game-worn gear of Al McInnes and Kevin Shattenkirk. And there's a little bit of a white nick there at the bottom. And that one is numbered 117 out of 300. So I'm heading to Peanut. And we got Drew Doughty for the Kings. We have Jonathan Bernier for the Leafs, PK Subban for the Canadiens, and for the Minnesota Wild, we got a game-worn gear of Zach Parise. That'll be heading to Franco. And the Nuge for the Oilers. And our last pack. Eric Stahl for the Hurricanes, Shea Weber for the Preds, and for the New York Islanders, we got a Metallic Marks Bronze again. This one is Anders Nilsson. So that'll be going to Downtown. And we got a Spacer. And Jamie Benn for the Stars closing off that one. All right. So next up, we are going to be taking a look at the high roller bonus. This bonus will go to the team with the highest bid that did not get a hit. And the winning team will be entered into our Customer Appreciation Dominion box break. So let me just pull up my list. This one could be pretty obvious. There was only 4 teams that got hits. I'm just going to look at them and see. All right. So far, it's going to be the Avalanche. And the Avalanche will remain. So that free spot is going to SMG-ness. So you will be spot number 13. Spot number 13 for the Avalanche. All right. So now we'll take a look at our short straw bonus. So once again, we had all of 4 teams that got hits. The Jackets and the Blues picked up double duty. So we'll shuffle them off to the side since they're not important for the segment. The remainder of the teams, however, will all be combined into this cup. And it'll be shaken around. Alright, so once again, just to recap, we're looking at this Matt Bolesky Auto Facts and the Hartnell Authentic Fabric. So we'll start Bolesky and then Hartnell. So the first card will be going to the Calgary Flames and Mike 420 Hallett. And the second card will be going to the New Jersey Devils and BD Leonza. So those are your short straw winners. Now we'll take a look at our customer appreciation bonus. So we're going to spin our wheel and reveal on the team board which team is going to be entered into that Dominion break. So that is going to be team number 16, red. The red card is getting a counter. 16. So we will look at our team board for the spot is going to the Pittsburgh Penguins. The Pittsburgh Penguins in this break went to DJ and Ella's mom. So congratulations, Aaron. You will pick up spot number 14. And now we'll take a look at our roulette bonus. So we're going to spin our board 2 more times, or spin our wheel 2 more times. That is going to be red 14. Another chip on red, and that is a black 28. So the black card will get a counter as well. Alright, so as you'll notice, I circled the 16. I kind of stopped keeping tracks of the hits because 16 is an orange chip. So for our roulette bonus, we will be giving away the Rafael Diaz Trilogy Signatures Pucks. So that's a nice one. I got that in the mail today, so it was nice to see I could give it away today as well. So I'm going to spin the wheel, and we'll correspond with the team board and see which team is going to be taking that one home. And that is going to team number 24. Team 24 on our team board is going to be the Chicago Blackhawks. And the Chicago Blackhawks in this break was Bovado. So congratulations, Bovado. That Rafael Diaz puck card is heading your way. Diaz puck. All right, and we have spun the wheel a couple of times now, and we have 2 chips on our black card. Actually make that 3 because of the 24. And 2 chips on our red card. So that means that our black card is going to be our victor with a score of 3-2. So the Trevor Linden Ice Scripts will be the card that we give away for this break. So we're going to spin our wheel one last time and see which team is going to be taking that one home. And that is going to be team number 18. So team 18 for the Linden Ice Scripts. That is the Winnipeg Jets. And the Winnipeg Jets in this break is going to DJ and Ella's mom. So congratulations, Aaron. That one's heading your way. Winnipeg for the Linden Ice Scripts. All right. And that is our break for today. Hope you guys enjoyed yourselves. Congrats to everybody who got some hits. And I hope to see you again next time.